In this video, we're going to take a look at a way to understand concentration for a solution. And there's actually several ways to do this, but today in this video, we'll just look at one, and that is known as mass percent. So what is mass percent? Mass percent is equal to the mass of the solute in a solution divided by the total mass of solution. Okay, so this total mass of solution is the grams of solute plus the grams of solvent. You multiply that by 100 and you have mass percent. So for example, if we had 1 gram of sodium chloride, so let's do an example here. So let's say we had 1 gram of NaCl and it was dissolved in 48 grams of water. So let's dissolve it in 48 grams of water. What is the mass percent? All we would have to do is do 1 gram of NaCl divided by 48 grams of water plus 1 gram of NaCl. Whoops, and then we're going to times that by 100. And that will give us our mass percent, which comes out to 2.0% NaCl. All right, let's take a look at a practice problem. And this one, we're going to take a look at cow's milk. So cow's milk, maybe everybody likes. And cow's milk contains something called lactose. Now, if you're lactose intolerant, you can take something called lactate. And what lactate does is it breaks lactose up. Now, lactose, this is going to look familiar, but lactose has the chemical formula of C12. Hang on, let me write this here. C12H22O11. Now, if you take something called lactate splits this up into 2 sugars, C6H12O6, and then another sugar, C6H10O5. And because there's 2 sugars, it's now a lot more sweet. So if you've ever had lactose-free milk, it's much sweeter than regular milk because it has actually more sugar in it, because you split a lactose molecule up into 2 sugar molecules. Anyways, in the problem, it's 4.5% by mass of lactose. Calculate the mass of lactose present in 175 grams of milk. So keeping in mind what we know about mass percent, we know that mass percent, so let's just do mass percent, is equal to the mass of solute over mass of solution times 100, and that is equal to 4.5%. Okay, so now we can solve this, and we're looking for the mass of lactose, so that's our solute. So we're looking for this. We know the mass of solution is 175 grams, right? So we can end up doing this like this. So we can say 4.5% equals mass of solute over 175 grams times 100. And now we can solve this. So I'm going to multiply 175 to this side. So I'm going to end up with 4.5 times 175. And that will cancel the 175 out, and then I'm left with mass of solute times 100. Divide this side by 100, divide this side by 100, and I get my mass of solute. So we come over and we get our answer. The mass of solute is equal to, in this case, 7.9 grams of lactose. So that's how you do a mass percent problem. In the next video, we'll take a look at another way to talk about solution composition, and that is molarity. So practice this. You can try the quiz on WebAssign if you feel comfortable, and copper tomorrow.